Ever grappled with the daunting task of cleaning, transforming or manipulating data in Excel? Perhaps you've spent hours or even days manually adjusting columns, rows and cells. But what if there was a smarter, more efficient way to handle these tasks? Enter Power Query, a powerful tool built into Microsoft Excel that can transform your data management tasks into a breeze. Today, we'll demystify Power Query, showing you how to leverage this tool for automation in Excel. By the end of this session, you'll see how Power Query can save you time, increase your efficiency, and reduce the risk of errors. First, let's understand what Power Query is. Power Query is a data connection technology that enables you to discover, connect, combine, and refine data across a wide variety of sources. It's essentially a data manipulation engine. You can use it to pull in data, clean that data, and then output it in a way that's useful for analysis. Now, how can you use Power Query? Well, it's quite simple. Start by clicking on the Data tab in Excel and then on Get Data. From there, you can choose where your data is coming from. This could be from an Excel workbook, a CSV file, a SQL server, or even a web page. Once you've selected your data source, Power Query will open a new window where you can start manipulating your data. Here's where the magic happens. You can filter rows, remove duplicates, change data types, split columns, and more. All these actions are recorded by Power Query, and this is where the automation part comes in. Once you've made your changes, Power Query can remember these steps and apply them automatically the next time you pull in data from the same source. This means you can set up a Power Query once and then reuse it over and over again, saving you time and effort. But that's not all. Power Query also has a feature called Merging Queries. This allows you to take data from two different sources and combine it into one table. This is incredibly useful when you're working with data that's spread across multiple files or databases. In summary, Power Query is an incredibly powerful tool that can automate the often time-consuming and tedious task of data cleaning and manipulation. It can pull in data from a wide variety of sources, clean and transform that data, and then output it in a way that's useful for analysis. All the steps you take to clean and transform your data can be saved and reused, saving you hours of manual work. Remember, the key to mastering Power Query is practice. So don't be afraid to dive in, experiment, and explore what Power Query can do for you. The more you use it, the more you'll discover its potential, and the more time you'll save on your data management tasks. So why wait? Start exploring Power Query today and transform the way you handle data in Excel. You'll be amazed at how much time and effort you can save. With Power Query, you can leave the tedious manual work behind and focus on what really matters, analyzing your data and gaining insights.